Every night, you disappear. You close your eyes. You stop talking. You stop thinking. 8 hours, you are basically gone. But here's the part nobody tells you. While you're out, your brain is not resting. It's working harder than almost anything. Something so specific, so mechanical, so strange. Scientists finally saw it in action. They couldn't believe it had taken this long. Every night, while you're unconscious, your brain literally power washes itself. Sleep isn't rest, it's plumbing. And the answer to why changes everything you know about sleep. Not just for feeling tired, not just for memory. Decades from now, your brain still works at all. Sleeping brain was basically on standby. The lights were off. Nothing was happening. Brain got quiet. That was the story. And it made sense. You stop moving, your heart rate slows, your temperature drops. It looks like shutdown. But here's what's fascinating. Brain never went quiet. Almost as much energy asleep as awake. Why would a resting organ burn that much fuel? Unanswered for decades. Maiken Nedergaard started looking at mice. University of Rochester, New York. It's 2012. Nedergaard, neuroscientist at Rochester. A system almost no one paid attention to. Most people know neurons, thoughts, memories, feelings, but neurons don't work alone. Glial cells. Just scaffolding. Brain filler. Nothing exciting. They were wrong. And then we discovered something, specifically a type called astrocytes. Form channels between them. Tiny tunnels. Through those tunnels flows cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, a clear liquid that bathes your entire brain. Here's the thing about CSF. It's not just a cushion, it's a cleaning agent, firing signals, storing memories, burning fuel. It produces waste products, toxic proteins, cellular debris, the metabolic exhaust of a running brain. That waste has to go. And then we discovered something that changed everything. Nedergaard's team discovered something extraordinary. Don't run at full capacity all the time. Brain cells actually shrink. They pull back. They create more space between them. CSF flow surges. Like a river that's been given a wider channel, the liquid rushes in. It floods the spaces between cells. It sweeps out the toxic proteins. It carries them away. The brain power washes itself. Glymphatic system. Combination of glial and lymphatic. Works like your body's lymphatic system. Only runs properly during deep sleep. Now here's where this gets personal. A protein called beta-amyloid. You may not have heard of it. Alzheimer's. Beta-amyloid builds up between neurons. It forms plaques. It disrupts communication. Neurons start to die. Scientists knew the plaques were there. Now they had a suspect. Plumbing was clogged. The research started coming in fast. Even one night of sleep deprivation increased beta-amyloid. One night. Researchers used special imaging. They could actually see the fluid moving. 10 times faster during sleep. 10 times. That's not a subtle difference. System designed to run at night. But that's only half the story. Glymphatic system even stranger. It's not just removing bad things. Nutrients into the brain. Glucose, lipids, growth factors. Dirty water flows out. Clean water flows in. Your brain is doing a full exchange. Every single night. How you sleep. Not just how long. How deep. Most people think about sleep in terms of tiredness. You're foggy. Sleep in on the weekend, debt repaid, but glymphatic debt doesn't work like that. The protein that wasn't cleared, it doesn't just wait. Some of it stays. Nights you've cut short over years. Late night study sessions, early flights, stress insomnia. Cleaning cycle ran too short. Here it is. Everything you were told about sleep was backwards. Sleep isn't the absence of activity. It's the most specific kind. It's not rest. It's maintenance. Your brain runs a program called the glymphatic flush. Can only execute when you're unconscious. Sleep isn't the passive end of the day. It's the point of the day. All that thinking, remembering, worrying generates toxic waste doing it, billing you for the cleaning service. I'll sleep when I'm dead. It's meant to sound tough, but the biology points the other way. 8 hours, dark room, deep and unbroken. Your glymphatic system runs its full cycle. The proteins that built up today get washed out. Your neurons wake up with clean space around them. Your brain is ready. You're not lazy when you sleep. You're not wasting time. You're running the one maintenance program. Maiken Nedergaard found this in 2012. We have had brains for hundreds of thousands of years. We have been sleeping every single night. We only figured out this part. 14 years ago. What else is happening in there we haven't discovered yet? You'll be asleep in a few hours. It's already getting started.